Cop-e-boox comes bundled with starter XML files that you can use to set up the tagging for everything in a book, from the front cover right through to the index. You can view and edit the XML templates in XML editing software. There are two sample book templates. The file book template no parts contains examples of XML tagging for a book that does not have part title pages. This XML book file can be used for reports and simple books with chapters. The file book template parts has examples of XML tagging that include two part title pages. Part 1 has one chapter in it, and Part 2 contains two chapters. Each time you start a new book, you can copy all the XML files to a new directory and use only the tagging you need to structure the book's content. Or you can copy relevant tagging from the book template files and paste these into new XML files. Let's have a look through the tagging. At the top of the book template file is the front cover. There are separate images for PDF and EPUB ebooks. Below that is text for the half title pages. Then there is the content for the main title page. Then we have information for the imprint page. After that, there is tagging for the book's metadata. Cop-e-boox generates double and core metadata elements. This information appears in the OPF file of an EPUB and in the head element of web pages. Then we come to a few preface pages. The executive summary, an acknowledgements page, notes about producing the table of contents, and the preface. For the book template with parts, there is tagging for part page information. And then we come to the first chapter. Similarly, there are two chapters contained within part 2. Throughout all the chapters are examples of tagging for text, sidebars, story boxes, figures, and tables. In the end matter, there are XML files for two formats of glossaries, as a table format or paragraph format. A list of acronyms, and an appendix, which uses similar tagging for chapters in the body text. Further on, there is a bibliography with examples of tagging for books and journal articles. At the end of the book, there are two types of indexes, one XML file for a general index and another for a subject index. The indexes are generated automatically from index terms embedded in the body text.